Hey Miss Linda, it's Stephanie with Comfort Eagle Roofing. We are here doing a rooftop inspection on a Builder's Grade 3 tab. So just wanted to bring you up so I could show you what you got going on. We'll come back to this in a minute. Okay, on the back side of the roof, you have a leak in the bathroom. As I mentioned before, this pipe boot's kind of a mess. Looks like they've tried to caulk it a couple of times. Unfortunately, I think it's bent so far that there's really no good way of keeping it attached to the roof any longer, and this decking is super soft, so I'm guessing all of the water is coming in right here, and that's what your main problem is in the restroom. Now, I know before we had discussed the installation of this porch with the nails, and we came out and tried to caulk as many of them up as we could, but they're just continuing to pop through the caulking, and it's making for a bit of a mess, especially up in the front areas. So this section here is really soft, just to the, if you're looking at the door, it's gonna be the left of the door, and then I'm trying to stay on the, so this is really squishy. Like if I step down on that, there's a good chance I'm gonna go right through that. So yeah, like, and then it's just as frustrating as it is. It was just the way that it was installed, unfortunately. So what we would need to do is take it up and kind of start from scratch to make sure that we get you a watertight seal. So with that in mind, I decided to look around to see if I could find any storm damage. You do have some soft metal impacts to your chimney pan, where you can see something has come and put a dent right into your chimney cap. There's two of them right there, see? So then I wanted to look to see if I could find any on the roof. What impacts are here are pretty small, but you do have what appears to be indentions from when something struck the roof, pushed the granules right in. They usually start out pretty small, so I'm guessing this stuff's pretty new and it was pretty small to begin with. But over time, what happens is the rain and the wind come along and it just starts washing those granules away, because now that it has that impact point, the granules have been loosened up. So yeah, so we counted 7 on the back, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and just in this test square, which is like an industry standard 10 by 10 square area. So yeah, so hopefully that'll help us, but I'll be down in just a minute so I can help you avoid the nightmares and the headaches associated with expensive interior damage.